Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a high protein smoothie. We'll be using 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 cup of frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk. So we'll start by adding all the ingredients in a blender and blending them up. Uh, Flax seeds are very good in this recipe because they're very high in omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids. They're also high in potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B3, and vitamin E. Flax seeds also help prevent constipation and bloating. They help in eliminating toxic waste in our bowels. They're good for asthma, they strengthen the blood, and they also have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. I added the almond milk because it's also high in protein and vitamin E, which is good for our bodies. The berries, there's strawberries in there, there's blueberries and blackberries. So let's talk about the strawberries. They're high in vitamin A and vitamin C, vitamin K, beta carotene, folic acid, and potassium. Strawberries also have high anti-cancer, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Next, we'll talk about the blueberries, which are high in vitamin C and beta carotene. Um, the blueberries are beneficial because they act as a laxative as well. They cleanse the blood, they improve circulation, they help with eyesight, and they're also very good antioxidants. The blackberries are high in calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, beta carotene, and vitamin C. Uh, Blackberries also act as tonic and blood cleanser. They also relieve diarrhea. They are high antioxidants as well. So as you can tell, this smoothie has very, very high antioxidant ingredients and high protein ingredients as well. So this is a good source of vitamins and protein. So try it and let me know. You can have it for breakfast or as a snack during the day. It turned out very, very delicious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.